Welcome. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the Dare to Be Brilliant 21-day challenge. I celebrate you for being here, for investing in yourselves. I'm so excited, and I hope you are too. This is going to be an amazing journey. So some of you know there's a departure point and an arrival point. And I'm so excited to be taking this journey with you today. Today, I just want to do a little bit of an overview. So it's going to be real lighthearted. It's going to be just an overview about this group and how to maneuver through it. So let me go ahead and share my screen, and we'll go over that with you real quick. So in the group, so I'm on a desktop, and it's slightly different than it is on a mobile, but the functions are the same. So you're in the group. I'm so excited that all 20 of you are here. There's units set up. So as you scroll down through the units, it should take you to the unit section first. And again, like I said, it's a little bit different on a mobile. Sometimes, depending on your mobile, they're a little bit funky. But there's units set up. So you'll see the welcome and introduction section, and then there's a little welcome message, and then there's a little course description. So this will make it easier to find things. Then you'll see week one, and as the days come, you'll see day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, all the way up. So week 1, week 2, week 3, all the way up to 21 days. So that way, if you go to the units section, you can find things easily and quickly. And if you happen to miss a day, or if you miss something, you can go straight to that day and pick it back up. So for example, if we clicked on the welcome section, it will only show those posts that are in there, and then they'll be in order from top to bottom so that you can go down through them. Other than that, if there's other things, and I know you're used to groups, so if you just want to click on the discussion message and scroll through, you can just scroll through it. Problem is, or the challenge is, that when you do that, you may miss a particular post because depending on the likes, the engagement on it, that's what scrolls to the top. It's categorized by the recent likes and the recent engagement. So I encourage you, when you come into the group, to go ahead and hit the units button and go to what day we're on. That's probably the easiest way to find things. Then when you post in the discussion, so to post, when and if you post, and I encourage you to do so as much as possible, you just simply go there, and I ask that you put a heading on it. So for example, put day 1 or something of that nature, and whatever it is that you're going to post. It's just that simple. Now you don't have to do that. I'll know based on your post, and I can categorize them. But if you put that day 1 on there, day 2 on there, day 3 on there, or if you put at least the topic of some sort, then I can categorize those so that people can go in under units and find your posts for that particular day or that section. That'll make things a heck of a lot easier to find. So, a couple other things. Let me stop sharing the screen. A couple other things. This is a beta course, so it's not perfect. I'm not perfect. There'll be some things in the course that you may think are missing. You may have a suggestion. You may want some more information on a particular topic. So I encourage you, I want to inspire you to participate as much as possible. And I don't just mean just participate in the information, because we're going to start with a very solid foundation. And we're going to start at the departure point and get to the arrival point. And we're going to start with we're going to start out, hitting the ground running, but we're going to start out with some really basic stuff. And maybe you have some things. Maybe you know what your values are. Maybe you know what your beliefs are. So that's okay. That's actually perfect. And you can engage with others. But if you don't, that'll be a perfect place for you. So we're going to cover that kind of stuff and then move in to the other stuff in week 2. So we're going to move into message, and we're going to move into, more of the what and that kind of thing. So maybe there's a piece you have, and maybe there's some pieces that you don't. The one thing I know for sure is that you will get some nuggets out of this course. And if I get what I believe in, if I get my goal achieved, you will be much, much, much clearer by the end. And you will have figured out the one thing that you want to work on. You have clarified your message. You have clarified a lot of things in your life. So I want to encourage you to participate as much as possible. I look forward to working with you. If you have any questions at any time, either post in the group or send me a personal message, whichever works for you. But throughout the course, I'll be asking questions. I'll have some survey questions to ask you, but don't hesitate to reach out if you want to take something more in depth or if there's something you'd like to explore farther. All right, guys, we're going to hit the ground running tomorrow morning. The messages will be sent by 7 a.m. So some days I'll be doing live and some days will be videos. It will depend on my schedule, other people's schedules, and we'll flex when we need to. So right now, the Zoom calls are scheduled for Thursday at noon. So if you can't participate, that's okay. But I'll ask you to submit some questions prior to so we can get those questions answered. And I've agreed to stay on those calls until all those questions are answered. And I will do that. I will also be traveling. We all have lives and we have things going on, and there's lots of excitement and life goes on and it happens. So don't sweat it if you miss a day, but try to stay up. It's only 21 days, so try to pick a time each day that you can actually invest in yourself each day to be able to do that. All right, my friends, dare to be brilliant. I challenge you. Peace out.